everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Amanda. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. So today I am doing a video because I have just reached 150 subscribers
on my YouTube channel.
So I'm super duper excited about that. So a little bit of background about my YouTube channel. So a little bit less than a year ago, like around 10 months ago-ish, I started a YouTube channel. I had seen a bunch of people do it, especially cheerleaders, and I got really interested in it. I was like, man, like I have a pretty interesting life, like why not like make videos out of them? And then I really like editing and showing my perspective on things into videos. So I was like,
why not make a YouTube channel?
I started it in like the end of November, and I'm so happy to see how much it's grown throughout my year on YouTube. And to show you guys' love and support, I am doing a giveaway for 150 subscribers, and I will be doing another surprise. So the first thing I'm going to be giving away is a $25 Amazon gift card. I will be giving away a $15 Starbucks gift card, and I'll also be giving away a $10 Chick-fil-A gift card. So all three of these. Let me take a picture for my thumbnail. Okay. Perfect. So the surprise is I am completely redoing my intro, like brand new intro, like different videos, different songs, like it's gonna be a whole new thing. For the one after my next video, I will show you guys my completely new redone. I had been really getting bored of like the one I had. Like I loved it at the time, but yeah, like it's been 10 months, like I'm kind of sick of it. Like I really wanted something else. So I'm gonna get a new intro, so I can't wait for you guys to see it. I already know what song and what videos I'm putting in it, but that's a surprise. I'm not gonna show you guys till later. Okay, cool. So this giveaway, one winner, and that one winner gets all 3 gift cards. So how to enter my giveaway? It seems difficult how I'm gonna be explaining it because it's a very like kind of elaborate thing, but really it's not that hard. Like you just need to really follow the instructions. So everything I'm gonna do in this giveaway is gonna be through my Instagram account, my main Instagram account. So I don't want anyone texting me because I don't know who's watching this video. I don't want to give away my number. Like, no, this is not through text. This is all through Instagram. Focus. Amanda.Bardisa. Everything is gonna be done through that account. So don't message me anything on text. Don't message me anything on my private, like my close friends Instagram. No. All through Amanda Bardisa. Amanda.Bardisa with 2 A's at the end on Instagram. So yes, I'm aware that account is private. Some of you who are watching this video might not be following it, and you probably maybe have requested the account and I declined you. It's not for anything, it's that I don't know who you are, so that's why I declined you. If for whatever reason you request me and I decline you, that is fine. You can still enter my giveaway. Just direct message me saying, hey, I'm whoever, say your name, and I'm interested in being a part of your giveaway, and then I'll accept you for my account. I know like you're someone who watches this video. Okay, so let's get on with how to enter my giveaway. So I'm gonna like split screen this so I can. What you guys to do is you need to have proof that you are subscribed to my account. If you're not subscribed to my account, this will not count. Like, it won't count. So you can either send me a screenshot like how I'm doing now, screenshotting my account. You can either screenshot, and I'm gonna send it all to you. Can either screenshot a picture or like take a photo, but I need proof that you are subscribed to my account. So I'm gonna pretend I'm on this account and I'm sending it to Amanda Bardisa. Send. So I need proof that you are subscribed to my account. If you do not send me that photo that you are subscribed to my account, it won't count. It won't count. And then once you send me that photo, I will reply. So I'm gonna reply, pretending this is gonna be me. I'm gonna reply saying, with a thumbs up. That just shows you proof that I've gotten proof that I'm subscribed to your account. Like, I mean that you are subscribed to my account. So then After that, all else I needed to do is go to this picture of me when I was in Greece. It was from July 15. I need you to tag 3 friends. Any 3 friends you want, it doesn't matter. So I'm gonna tag 3 random people. Lily, my sister, and my other sister. And then comment giveaway details are on her YouTube channel. Oh, I spelled channel. Oops. Giveaway details on her YouTube channel. Post. And then once I see that you could do this entry up to 3 times. So I'm gonna do, let's tag 3 different people. But it needs to be 3 different people each time. You can do it up to 3 times, and for every 3 times you comment, it will be like a better chance of you winning. So like for example, I'm gonna tag 3 different people. I don't know. What are the first ones to come up when I put okay, follow on and what are the first ones to come up? And giveaway details are on her YouTube channel. That's all you need to comment with 3 friends. If you want to comment something else, you could comment a 3rd time with 3 different, but let's just say I don't want to. Then I take note of this. I take note of everyone who comments. No. Okay. So for example, I'll be like, Amanda. I'll be like, giveaway details. And I'll be like, how do I make this not bold? I don't like bold. Oh, there we go. Amanda, 2 entries. I will then send you a DM, like let's just say this account. And I'm gonna send you, thank you for entering my giveaway. Thank you for entering my giveaway. You have submitted, God, I don't know how to spell. Submitted 3 entries. I don't know how to type either. You have submitted 3 entries. Winner will be announced on my YouTube channel once I get to 200 subscribers. Oh, actually no, it's 2 because I actually put 2, but it depends. Like if you submit 1 entry, I'll send you submitted 1. If you submitted 2, I'll send you 2. If you submitted 3, I send you 3. Once I get to 200 subscribers. So once you get that DM, saying thank you for entering my giveaway, you have submitted 2 entries, winner will be announced on my YouTube channel once I get to 200 subscribers. Once you get that email, that direct message, that means that you have been counted. So I'll go to my notes, I'll put Amanda 2 entries because I have 2 entries. Let's just say someone else enters, I'll put their name, however many entries. Remember, you can only enter up to 3 times. It won't count, like you can only do 1 entry, 2 entries, or 3 entries. I'm not gonna accept 5 entries, like that's too many, no. So you can do up to 3, but maybe you don't wanna do 3 entries, you wanna do 2 like how I did, or 1, that's fine. Just no more than 3 entries. And like I said, the winner will be announced when I receive 200 subscribers. So this is a way to help me get to 200 subscribers. So once again, thank you guys so much for getting me to 150 subscribers. I will make a video once I reach 200 subscribers. I'll show you guys like how I either pick out of a hat or do it like on some website. But I promise you this is gonna be an 100% fair way of me picking out who wins. Get as many people as involved to enter my giveaway. Share this with others. Tag as many people as you want in it. And yeah, I'm so excited to show you guys more videos that are coming out in the future and my new intro that I will be releasing, not in my next video, but in the one after. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye. Until next time. Oh, gee, one more thing. Oh, okay. One more thing I forgot to say. Oh my god. If you have any questions or you're still confused after this video on how this giveaway works, You can ask me anything, literally anything on my direct message me on Instagram at amanda.bardisa with 2 A's at the end. And I'm like literally always on Instagram. So like I'll definitely be able to get to you as soon as I can.